guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make stickers without sticker paper. First you'll need a bit of paper, tape, scissors and some baking paper or wax paper. Mine's a little crumpled but it's okay. First of all, draw your design on your piece of paper. I'm drawing a cactus. If you have sticker paper, then you can use the methods I showed you in my last video and I'll link it down below in the description. Anyway, back to the stickers. When you finish drawing your design, you can outline it and colour it in. After you finish your design completely, you can cut your design out. After creating the main sticker, it's time to make it stickable. On your baking paper, cover an area with tape that's larger than your main design. Then place your design on the tape and cover it in with another layer of tape. Finally, cut out the sticker. Make sure you leave a gap between the edges so the sticker will actually work and stick. And you are done! The sticker is so cute, easy to make and satisfying to use. If you don't want to draw out your design, then you can also print it out and do the baking paper / tape layering steps. Thank you for watching till the end. Make sure you like, subscribe and don't forget to check out my Instagram at TangioRange2020. The link will be down below as well as shown here on the screen. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!